The Industrial Revolution was a period of immense change, fundamentally altering the fabric of society. It started in Britain during the 18th century, a time when the world was on the cusp of transformation. This era saw a dramatic shift from handmade goods to machine production, revolutionizing industries and economies. It was a time of invention, innovation, and a complete transformation of how people lived and worked. With new technologies emerging rapidly, the world would never be the same as landscapes transformed and cities grew around these new industrial hubs. The Industrial Revolution didn't happen overnight. It was a gradual process marked by continuous development and expansion. It unfolded over decades, spreading from Britain to other parts of the world, influencing countless aspects of daily life. From the late 1700s to the mid-1800s, inventions like the steam engine and power loom revolutionized manufacturing, making production faster and more efficient. Factories sprang up, and with them came new ways of working and living, reshaping communities and economies. This period marked a turning point in human history, propelling us into the modern industrial age and laying the foundation for the world we know today. At the heart of the Industrial Revolution were groundbreaking inventions. The steam engine, a marvel of its time, provided a new source of power. It drove machines in factories and propelled steamboats and locomotives. The textile industry was revolutionized by inventions like the spinning jenny and the power loom. These machines dramatically increased the speed and efficiency of cloth production. Before the Industrial Revolution, textiles were made slowly by hand. The steam engine and textile machinery changed everything. They allowed for mass production, making goods more affordable and accessible to a wider population. This period of rapid technological advancement set the stage for further innovation, shaping the world we live in today. The Industrial Revolution led to a major shift from rural to urban life. People left their farms and villages to seek work in the newly established factories. Cities grew rapidly, and with this growth came new challenges. Factory work was often harsh, with long hours, low wages, and dangerous conditions. Life in the factories was very different from the agricultural life many were accustomed to. Workers had to adapt to a new rhythm of life, following the clock and the demands of machines. The transition from farm to factory wasn't always smooth, and it brought about both opportunities and hardships for the working class. Section 4. On the Move. The Age of Steam and Steel. The Industrial Revolution brought about a revolution in transportation. Steam-powered locomotives and steamships made travel faster and more efficient. The development of railways allowed for the transportation of goods and people over long distances, connecting cities and towns like never before. This increased connectivity facilitated trade and commerce, further fueling industrial growth. Before the advent of railways, travel was slow and arduous. The ability to move people and products quickly and efficiently had a profound impact on society. It opened up new markets, fostered cultural exchange, and transformed the way people perceived distance and time. Section 5. Progress and Poverty, the Two Faces of Change. The Industrial Revolution brought about significant changes in society, both positive and negative. On the one hand, it led to an improved standard of living for many. Mass production made goods cheaper and more accessible. New industries created jobs, and advancements in medicine and sanitation improved health outcomes. On the other hand, the Industrial Revolution also led to social problems. The gap between the rich and poor widened. Factory workers, many of whom were women and children, often faced exploitative working conditions. Pollution and overcrowding in cities created health hazards. The Industrial Revolution was a time of both progress and hardship, highlighting the complexities of societal change. Section 6. Echoes of the Revolution, a legacy forged in iron and steam. The Industrial Revolution was a pivotal period in human history. It was a time when the world saw unprecedented changes in the way goods were produced and consumed. It marked a turning point in our relationship with technology and had a profound impact on every aspect of life. The technological advancements, such as the steam engine and mechanized looms, the shift to factory production, which allowed for mass production of goods, and the growth of cities, fundamentally reshaped society. People moved from rural areas to urban centers in search of work, leading to the rapid expansion of cities. The echoes of this revolution can still be felt today in our modern industrial world. The innovations of that era laid the groundwork for the technological advancements we enjoy now. The legacy of the Industrial Revolution is complex and multifaceted. It brought about significant economic growth and improved standards of living for many. It laid the foundation for our modern world with its technological advancements, globalized economies, and urbanized populations. The revolution also spurred innovation and creativity. However, it also serves as a reminder of the social inequalities and environmental challenges that can arise from rapid industrialization. The pollution and poor working conditions of that time are lessons we must heed today. Section 7. A universe transformed. As we explore the cosmos and marvel at the wonders of the universe, we are constantly reminded of the vastness and beauty that lies beyond our planet. It's important to remember the transformative events that have shaped our own planet, events that have left an indelible mark on the course of human history. The Industrial Revolution stands as a testament to human ingenuity and its capacity to both solve problems and create new ones. This era brought about unprecedented technological advancements and economic growth. It is a reminder that progress is often accompanied by challenges such as environmental degradation and social upheaval. Understanding the past is crucial to navigating the future. By studying the impacts of the Industrial Revolution, we can learn valuable lessons about the balance between progress and sustainability. The